of let's see how to tell if your iPad has a screen protector. In the first step, open Settings. After that, select Display and Brightness. Now, change brightness to observe any minor surface variation. In the next step, softly slide your finger over the screen. Now, feel if there is an unexpected ridge near the edges. Now, notice any slight drag while moving your finger. In the next step, move the iPad under strong lighting. Later, observe for any extra reflective surface. Then look for any irregular light diffusion. In the next step, carefully check the screen's border, then search for a thin gap close to the frame. Now, spot any small trapped air at the edges. In the next step, gently knock the screen with your nail. Now pay attention to a slightly altered sound. Now, compare it to another device without a cover. You are good to go.